Hey there, dream chasers! Ever imagined working from a beach in Bali or a cozy cafe in Paris? Well, guess what? It's totally possible. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on any of our awesome videos. All right, now let's get started. The world of remote work is booming, and platforms like Wellfound are your ticket to this exciting new world. Wellfound is a global job platform that connects talented individuals like you with amazing remote job opportunities. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Wellfound has something for everyone. Say goodbye to the daily grind and hello to flexibility, freedom, and a world of possibilities. Finding your dream remote job can feel overwhelming, but Wellfound makes it easy and exciting. With its user-friendly interface and powerful search tools, you'll be connecting with potential employers in no time. Ready to unlock a world of opportunities? Let's dive in and explore how Wellfound can help you land your dream remote job. Getting started on Wellfound is super simple and takes just a few minutes. Head over to the Wellfound website and click on the Sign Up button. You can easily create an account using your Google account or by entering your email address and creating a unique password. Once you've created your account, it's time to build a stellar profile that showcases your skills and experience. Think of your profile as your online resume. Make it shine. Start by uploading a professional profile picture and writing a compelling bio that highlights your key skills and experience. Next, specify the type of remote work you're looking for, whether it's full-time, part-time, contract, or freelance. Don't forget to list your skills, experience, desired salary range, and preferred location. The more detailed your profile, the better Wellfound can match you with relevant job opportunities. Take your time, be thorough, and don't be afraid to show off your amazing talents. Now that your profile is all set up, let's explore Wellfound's user-friendly dashboard. Your dashboard is your command center, providing a clear overview of your job search activity and personalized job recommendations. On your dashboard, you'll find a curated list of remote job openings that align with your skills and preferences. Wellfound's powerful algorithm takes the guesswork out of your job search by automatically filtering jobs based on your profile information. You can further refine your search by using the platform's advanced filtering options. Filter by job title, company, location, salary, experience level, and more. The more specific your search criteria, the more targeted your results will be. Wellfound's dashboard also makes it easy to keep track of your job applications. You can see which jobs you've applied to, which ones you're interested in, and even schedule reminders to follow up with potential employers. Finding your perfect match job. Filtering and applications. Wellfound's robust filtering system is like having a personal recruiter at your fingertips. It helps you narrow down the vast pool of remote job opportunities and discover positions that perfectly align with your skills, experience, and career aspirations. Start by selecting your desired job type, whether it's full-time, part-time, contract, or freelance. Then, input your preferred location. You can choose to work from anywhere in the world or specify a particular region or country. Next, refine your search by skills and experience. Wellfound's algorithm will prioritize job postings that match your expertise. You can also set salary expectations, ensuring that you're only presented with opportunities that align with your financial goals. Once you've tailored your search criteria, Wellfound will generate a personalized list of job recommendations. Browse through the listings, read the job descriptions carefully, and click on the ones that pique your interest to learn more. Sharing your journey, the power of community. Landing your dream remote job is an incredible accomplishment, and sharing your experiences can inspire others to pursue their own remote work aspirations. Connect with fellow remote workers, share your story, and exchange valuable tips and advice. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today, explore the world of remote work with Wellfound, and unlock a world of opportunities. What are your experiences with remote job platforms? Share your thoughts, questions, and success stories in the comments below. Let's inspire each other and create a vibrant community of remote work enthusiasts. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with anyone who's ready to ditch the cubicle and embrace the freedom of remote work. Thanks for watching. If you found the video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. See you in the next video.